In this video, how to fix Fortnite Unavailable on Epic Game Launcher. First, to go to Epic Game Launcher, click it, and once you click this, you need to go to a library option. Click the library option, and you have seen the Fortnite is there. In this, you can see the three dot icon. Click the three dot icon and go to Manage. And the topmost verify files is that. Need to click Verify, and right now it's verifying the entire Fortnite folders. So wait a couple of seconds to verifying. Once it's verifying entire folders, it shows that the folders have no issues. So need to wait for a couple of seconds. Now verification is completed, and once completed, you need to click the three dot icon, and you need to go to option and check whether the password is installed completely or not. You can see now installed completely. Then again you need to click the three dot icon and go to manage, and you can see the installation is there. Click the folder icon and you need to go to inside. In this Epic Games is that. Click the Epic Games, go to Fortnite and Fortnite game, and in this you need to go to binary and go to Win64, and you can see the easy anti-cheat is that. You need to click it, and you can see it's running mode. Once you click the program, it should be run. If it's running, it's okay, there is no problem, and you need to check auto update is enabled or not. Yes, it should be auto update, should be in enable mode. Okay, and after you need to close it, and need to right click the Epic Game Launcher and go to properties. In this go to compatibility mode, and you can see the run the program as administrator should be turned on, and click apply and okay. And after you need to search for run and go to the column and need to type local app data and click OK. In this you can see the local app data entering. You can see the Epic Game Launcher. Go to Epic Game, go to saved, and delete the cache files. Don't panic, the cache files, it will delete only caches, so there is no problem for accounts. And after that you need to reinstall